Let's take a look at how to create a Google Compute Engine with internal IP only via console. Step 1. Verify if you have the Compute Admin IAM role assigned to the user that will be creating the VM. In this case, GCP user will be our user who will be creating the VM and has Compute Admin IAM role assigned to it. Step 2. Hit the navigation menu, select Compute Engine and then VM instance. Step 3. Select Create Instance. In the machine configuration, specify the name, choose the region, zone, and machine type. In this case, we've chosen E2 Medium as an example. Step 4. In the OS and Storage section, hit Change and select Red Hat Enterprise Linux and choose Pay-as-you-go option. Step 5. Next, in Data Protection section, you can choose the snapshot schedule. In this case, we are leaving it as is. Step 6. In Networking section, we get to pick the network, subnetwork, and choose the option of ephemeral to create the internal IP and choose none for external IP. Step 7. Leave observability, security, and advanced as is for now and hit create. If you get the below error, grant the user, in this case, GCP user, service account user role and then retry. Click Edit and retry and then hit Create. Instance is created successfully. It has only internal IP and no external IP. Step 9. SSH into the newly created VM via the browser window. Or SSH into the newly created VM via gcloud commands. That's it. Your Compute VM with internal IP only is successfully created.